Welcome back to Techo AV. Today, we're checking out one of the most balanced mid-range laptops from HP, the HP Laptop 15 FD050 for TU, powered by Intel's 13th Gen Core i5 processor. Let's dive in. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core i5-1334U, a 13th Gen chip with 10 cores and 12 threads, capable of boosting up to 4.6 GHz. Whether you're multitasking, editing documents, or streaming, this laptop keeps up effortlessly. Storage-wise, you get a fast 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD and 8GB of DDR4 RAM. It boots quickly, apps load fast, and general responsiveness is smooth. Handling visuals is Intel Uhd Graphics, giving you reliable performance for streaming, light photo editing, and casual gaming. It comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, featuring micro-edge bezels, anti-glare coating, and a decent 250 nits of brightness with 45% NTSC color gamut. Ideal for productivity and media consumption. HP TrueVision 720p HD camera with temporal noise reduction. It covers the essentials: 1 USB-C, data only, 2 USB-A ports, HDMI 1.4b, a headphone mic combo jack, and the usual AC power port. No Thunderbolt or USB-C charging here, but for the price point, that's acceptable. Comes with a full-sized soft grey keyboard, including a numeric keypad, perfect for students or office users. Battery life is decent. HP claims up to 7 hours and 45 minutes, and you can expect around 6 to 7 hours with regular use. It also supports fast charging, 50% in 45 minutes, which is super handy for students or professionals on the go. Wireless Realtek Wi-Fi 6, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card. So, who is this laptop for? If you're a student, work-from-home professional, or someone looking for a reliable daily use laptop under a mid-budget, great performance for the price, solid build, and good battery life. Unity Systems Solutions.